All right, in this problem, this is the situation you're given. You have a total of 9 rocks. 8 of them are the same size and the same weight. 1 of them is heavier than the others. All right, let's say it's the same size, but it's a little heavier, and you can't really tell just by holding it. And what you've got to do is using this scale. And you're only allowed to use this scale once. It's a balance scale, yeah? So it's a balance scale. I know, I'm not a very good artist. So you got your balance scale. You're only allowed to use that twice. How would you figure out which rock is the heavy one? This is what you would do. You would pick any 3 rocks, actually any 6. Put 3 on here and 3 on here. All right. So you got 3 rocks here, 3 rocks here. That's going to leave 3 left over. If the scale is balanced, then that means you've got the 3 that are not on the scale. It's one of those that's the heavier one. Okay, so let's assume that's what you did. You put 3 rocks here, 3 rocks here. It's balanced. So that tells you the heavier rock has to be over in the group that wasn't on the scale. Now randomly pick 2 of these and put it on. If it's balanced, then you know the remaining one is the heavier one. If it's not balanced, well, whichever one is the heavier one, there's your heavier rock. Now let's say the other scenario is you put them on and one side is heavier than the other. Well, now you're right back to what you did. Of the side that's heavier, you pick 3 and 3. One of the 3 would contain the heavier one. That'll be the heavier side. Take the 3 off that. So there's your one weight. Take the 3 off it. Randomly pick 2 of those and put them on there. That's your second weight. If it's balanced, then the one that is left over is the heavier one. If it's not balanced, then you either pick these 2 and these 2, and the heavier one, the one that's out of balance, is the heavier one. So that's how you would solve the 9 rock problem.